Okay, so this is what I received. And the box says, in the box, Mini Matte Box Lite 1, adapter ring, 67, 72, 77, 82, with the 95 outer ring, adapter ring, times 1. So I have them right there, the 4. And then filter frame, 4 by 5.6, 5.65, 1, carry bag 1. Matte box, the 4 rings, and the bag. But I did not get the tray. It says matte box, adapter rings, filter tray, which you say is attached or installed. I don't see it installed. And I looked at your video that you sent. It looks like it can be removed. I can pull this, nothing happens. I push this. This is installed. It looks like something. I don't see how I can put something in there. Let me make this bigger. I don't see how I can put a tray in there. I mean, I don't know what the tray looks like, but it says 4 by, that's the tray. But how do I, is that it? And this is slide. How do I slide? Does it come up? I don't see it. I am having a problem. It looks nothing like your video. So please, yeah, I'm having a problem because it looks nothing like your video. Maybe this comes off. Okay. Well, you say it is installed. I'm going to do more research. I'm going to look at more videos. I'm going to purchase some filters and hopefully it works. But until then, I will not give a review or on eBay until I figure this out. So yes, it does say okay. Well, thank you for your quick responses. Thank you very much. And I hope you have the adapter ring kit, because until you have the kit, this will not work on my camera. I hope you saw the purchase. A bunch of things. I bought one more Anchor battery. It arrived yesterday. So hopefully you can get me rings for my lens. All right, thank you for your cooperation. Regards, Jose. Thank you. Bye-bye.